I do want to talk about investing and where you are. I know you can't talk about individual names, but put it in baseball terms, given that's your other business now. What inning are we in? Are we in some kind of bubble in terms of where the equity markets are?
I don't see it as a bubble. I mean, I think the markets are discounting some of what they think AI is going to do for companies.
You think it's discounting?
Discounting.
So you think that there's even more upside as a result of AI?
My view is this is a really durable theme. I'll give you one little anecdote. My CTO comes to me and says I can save the firm $25 million by using these LLMs to improve our efficiency. Now we're a nice sized firm. We're not a huge firm. So imagine what big companies can do, and that's just one thing. Okay, so it gives you a little bit of a look into what's possible. And
so there's a view. Is this is the AI boom? What does that mean for chips? What does that mean? So when you look at that, who do you think the winners and losers are?
Well, listen, I'm not going to talk about individual stocks, okay? But there's going to be big winners and big losers, okay? Because this is transformational, so you got to do the work and figure out what companies are going to benefit. And frankly, there's going to be companies that you haven't even heard of. There'll be new companies. I mean, when you have technological change like this, it sort of reminds me of the 90s, where the best new companies came out of that period.
But does that mean we're in 1996? Does that mean we're in 1999?
We're not in 99, okay? I mean, I don't think so. And so because I think it's a durable theme, I think, now, it doesn't mean it goes up in a straight line, right? I mean, it may take a while for this AI theme, actually to really take hold within companies, and they're trying to figure out how to use it.
Right.
And so, this is so, it has the potential to change how my firm operates. If you're a company and you're not thinking about this,
right,
you're going to wake up one day and go, we're in trouble.
We have Raphael Bostok from the Fed on in just a little bit.
Yeah.
What do you think about where the Fed is today?
Yeah.
Are you expecting cuts to come this year at all anymore? I mean, how do you think about what the Fed's doing and how much that's propelling the market one way or the other?
Yeah, I think the market expects 3 cuts. I think that's the number. I don't disagree with that. I think inflation's been somewhat contained. And I think, ultimately, what it'll come down to is that a true statement or not. We think, the Fed thinks they, eventually is going to come down to 2% inflation rate.
What do you think?
I think that's going to be hard. Okay?
So what, is that 3% for you?
I don't, I don't get in the weeds quite like that. Is it 2.5? I mean, those are Fed watchers.
Right.
I think it comes down to, there's still a lot of underemployment in the country. And so it really comes down to, if growth is too fast, then, you start getting constraints on labor and wages go up, and that may be a problem for it. Right. But it's hard to, we're in one of these periods where I don't think many people know exactly what's going to happen.